In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a file in Google Sheets. If you need to connect a project file, or even a folder directly to your data, there's a clean, professional way to do it without pasting long, messy URLs. In Google Sheets, inserting a file essentially means creating a smart, clickable reference that lives right inside a cell, so you and your collaborators can jump into the right document instantly. The first method uses Smart Chips. Click into the cell where you want the file reference. Type the @ symbol, then start typing the name of the file or folder from your Google Drive. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear. Choose the correct item from the list, and it transforms into a compact, clickable chip. It looks neat, it's easy to spot, and it keeps your sheet readable. This approach is great for dedicated columns like Spec, Brief, or Assets, where each row needs a direct file link. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, keep typing a more specific keyword or the exact file title to refine the results. The second method is perfect when you want the link attached to descriptive text. Select the text in your cell, or type a label like Project Brief. Then use the keyboard shortcut to insert a link. A search box will pop up where you can look through your drive right from Sheets. Pick your file, and the link attaches to the text without exposing a long URL. This keeps your spreadsheet tidy and easy to scan, especially on shared dashboards or status trackers. Once the file or folder is inserted with either method, anyone who already has access can hover over the cell to see a quick preview and click to open it immediately. If teammates can't open a file, that usually means the drive sharing settings need an update. Make sure the document is shared with the right people or group, and set the permission level that matches your workflow. A few quick tips to make this seamless. Use consistent descriptive labels so links are obvious. Keep your files organized in Drive so they're easy to find via search. And remember, you can always update or remove a link later if the source changes. With Smart Chips and clean links, your spreadsheet becomes a command center for all your project files, helping everyone move from data to documents without breaking focus.